quiet. Squishy haul! First, I got this capybara water squishy. Yeah. There's like little capybaras in it. Yeah. Next, I got dumplings. I'm gonna start off with the minis first. I already opened them, so I already know what they are. This one's Tessa's. You're good. Pink one, and then mine. I got the glitter one, the rare glitter one. These aren't RMS. They're just dumplings. But they have like a different texture. They're not the like crappy water gel stuff. Yeah. Okay, next I got a big dumpling, and I don't think there's a mystery. I didn't think there was a mystery one. Yeah. I got the pink one, and it's like the tie-dye RMS dumplings, but it's not RMS, and it has like the slow rising texture. That's it.